So apparently checking a bag is for peasants. That's what the carry-on-only crowd will tell you. Meanwhile, they're stomping through the airport with a 17-pound backpack, shoulders aching, looking like a contestant on Survivor Terminal C. Welcome back to Journeys of Peace. They call it freedom. Freedom is apparently 3 pairs of merino wool underwear and the joy of washing them in a sink every other night. That's not freedom. That's a low-budget laundromat cosplay. But here's the part nobody says out loud. Carry-on-only people? They're secretly jealous of luxury travelers. Luxury travelers get to check 2 70-pound suitcases for free. 70 pounds. They don't carry them either. Other people do. Bellhops glide them straight into 5-star hotel rooms where laundry magically appears, pressed and folded without anyone crouching over a sink. Meanwhile, our minimalist hero is hunched over a half-sized bar of hotel soap whispering, "This is freedom," while wringing out socks in a damp bathroom. Inspiring. And let's be real, the carry-on cult doesn't actually want their sad little backpacks. No, deep down they want the grand tour of Europe, like a Gilded Age princess with a steamer trunk, 3 servants, and a coachman handling the other little things. But instead they're on YouTube pretending a 40-liter backpack is the same thing. Spoiler, it's not. Oh, but they'll tell you they've hacked luxury. You know, with travel credit cards, lounge passes, and bragging about finding a $12 hotel room with character. They'll squat in a budget airline middle seat and call it basically business class if you just close your eyes. Sweetie, you're not hacking luxury. You're cosplaying it, with a backpack that smells like despair and merino wool that hasn't seen detergent since Lisbon. Luxury travelers don't need packing hacks. They've got bellhops, butlers, and bags heavier than your entire personality. So, next time someone brags about the spiritual enlightenment of carry-on-only travel, just remember, they're not enlightened, they're just jealous. If you like my snark and appreciate humor when it comes to all the sanctimonious you have to carry on or else traveler advice flooding YouTube, please give me a like, subscribe, and share. In the meantime, bon voyage, because I'm enjoying someone else lugging my suitcase right now.